Sweet, sour, savory. Today's recipe is straight from the farm. Fresh pickles using carrot, cauliflower, celery, and a cucumber. Sure to brighten any dish. I'm Mika from MikasTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Add 1.5 cups rice vinegar. 3/4 cup white wine. I used Pinot Grigio. 7 tablespoons water. Half cup sugar. And 2.5 teaspoons of salt to a saucepan. Stir until dissolved while heating to a boil and set aside to cool. Cut half of seedless cucumber into 3/4 inch pieces. Peel a large carrot and chop it into 1/2 inch discs. Cut them in half. Break the cauliflower flowerette into bite-sized chunks. Cut the big ones as shown here. Cut the celery into 1 inch pieces. Blanch the vegetable for about 1 or 2 minutes. This step is important. It develops flavor, color, and texture. Drain the veggies and set aside to cool. Use your favorite vegetables. Pot onions would be a great addition. Sanitize your canning jar using hot water. Get your spices ready. 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, a bay leaf, and dried red chili. Pack the cooled vegetables into a 1 liter canning jar, as I show here. They should be just shy of the top. Reserve an extra or add a few if you have room. Pour in the brine. I just call it pickle juice. Be sure to submerge the bay leaf and dried chili. Add the peppercorns. Seal the jar. Refrigerate for 1 or 2 days. I suggest 2 days. It allows the flavors to meld and the vinegar mellows. Too sour will curl your hair. Kuri. Easy, light, and refreshing. These are so crunchy and so good. You will love them for sure. I enjoy mine with a salad, with quiche, or even a tasty curry. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching my video.